Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night mode in camera on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the camera app. Now we're gonna switch to the night mode. So as you guys can see, if your phone is like this, you will have the night mode right here. Now I got the night shot enabled, and here if we go to more, as you guys can see here, we also have the night mode, and we have something like a timer, a little bit of a timer here. Now what's important is that it is basically telling us that we need to hold our camera still for a couple of seconds. And as you guys can see, we got the timer now, but when I put it into the light, now it disappears, and when I take a picture, it will be just like a normal photo app. Sorry, photo mode. So it has to be dark. Let me quickly try and get a dark scenery. Now I tried to get the dark scenery. Of course, it's a little bit of lighten up, but still that's how you guys can do it. Make sure that you do that while you're not in a flashy room with lights and etc. And that's basically how you guys can use the night mode in the camera. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.